Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Before I start the video, I'd like to thank Minisopuru for sponsoring this video and sending me this product out for me. So this is a 7-in-1 10GB per second USB C hub with charger. So this does have fast charging in, I believe. We'll test that out, so yeah, stay tuned. But yeah, I like this packaging, very nice actually, because it shows the picture of the logo is minimalistic, nice. As you can see, you got the logo on this side, logo on this side. I don't know if this is the final design product though, because this might change, the box itself might change. Okay, so thank you for choosing Minisopuru. Alright, so you got 6 USB-Cs 10GB per second, which is crazy. That's insane, isn't it guys? Wow. Can you see these 6 here? So these can't be used for video, like video output, but it can be used for data transfer and everything else. This one is for charging. Let's have a look on the other side. Alright, so you got 6 10GB per second USB-C slots, and you got USB-C 10GB per second. That's the charging one, so you got one of them. So there's 7 ports in total. There's 20 watts max output. So DC in is 36 watts, 12 volts or 3 amps, which is normal. Alright, it's got shrink wrap on this, so let's hope I can cut it with my nails. Let's see. Alright guys, so I took the shrink wrap off. So this costs $55 or £45 in the UK. There is a 10% off voucher right now on Amazon, so you can get another 10% off. And who knows, they might even give me a discount code for you guys. If there is, it'll be in the description. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this. Oh no, so I got the shrink wrap off. Now I have to take this sticker off, so I might need the scissors. 1 second guys. Alright guys, I cut it using my torch. Look at that. So yeah, even if this isn't the final design for the box, it's not bad at all. It's not bad, not gonna lie, it's pretty decent. Okay, there's the product itself. What's on this side? I think it's a power book. Yeah. Alright, let me take this out. Oh, carefully. So you might be wondering, why do you need this power brick? It's because it needs power, quite a bit of power. So to make sure this works, you need to use the power brick, because the USB-C alone can't power it, if you know what I mean. It's just not enough power. But yeah, this is the device itself. So wow, that's really nice. The picture actually doesn't do it justice. This looks miles, 100 times better guys. Wow, in person this looks so beautiful. This color, amazing. It's like a titanium blue, and then they got this gloss black LED screen. Wow, I love that. And you got a tiny screen there with the LEDs in. So you got the 7 ports there, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then one charging one there. Nothing on the back. And then at the top you got the power plug thing, which is the input, power input. Okay, and wow, I love this color guys. Look at that color, the titanium blue. And you got braided cable, so it's high quality. It's not going to break on you for a long time. This is going to be sturdy and good, reliable. There's your USB-C input. These are your outputs. Okay, let's see, this is the charger. This is 12 volts at 3 amps, so we are gonna have to plug this in to make sure that works, otherwise it won't work at all. I'm gonna test it out for you anyway. Have a look. Yeah, we'll have a look in a second. So yeah, let me plug it into the charger for now, see what happens. You ready guys? You know what, let me plug it into my phone. just straight into my phone as a USB OTG. Let's see what happens. There you go. Oh, it did flash for a second. But yeah, there's not enough power there to do anything with that. Okay, so I'll have to plug into something. So yeah, let me go. I'm gonna plug into my PC actually without the power cable in, just to show you that it doesn't work without the thingy. And then we'll plug in the power cable. Oh yeah, there's a user manual in here as well. I didn't see that. No user manual, instruction manual. No. So yeah, this is a USB 3, well, USB C, which is 10 gigabytes. That's about 20 times faster than USB 2, which is good. Very high transfer speeds. That's the whole point of this. And this is because it's USB C, you can put it in this way, that way, whichever way you want. Anyway, any direction, it doesn't matter, because it's reversible, you know. That's the main selling point on USB C, as well as the high speed transfers. Okay. All the 7 ports do not support display video. Yeah, I said that, haven't I, guys? So it's only for data, which is what a USB hub does anyway, you know what I mean. The 7th is output charging port. You can charge up to 20 watts devices. Alright, we'll have a look at that and test all that as well. Please make sure DC adapter and laptop are connected to the hub device. Okay. Okay, and these are the specifications. Alright. So this is talking about a laptop, so maybe I might be able to power it off a PC though. My PC USB-C port, because it is quite powerful. We'll have a test anyway. We'll test it all out, see what happens. Alright guys, 1 second. Alright guys, so this is my PC. If you haven't seen it on my channel before, look how beautiful it is. Wow. So yeah, this is my heavy gaming PC. Wow. So I actually built this after my laptop died, because my laptop broke on me, and then I just saved up money, parts, everything, vouchers, started buying up parts. Alright, so there's my USB-C port. It's a bit dusty, so I'm gonna have to clean that one day. Not today though, because we're busy. So we got one USB-C port there, and we've got quite a few on the back actually. Let's have a look. So yeah, there's a few down there. Mainly near the bottom though. There's 1, 2, 3 USB-C on the back as well. So the main reason you'd use this port USB hub is if you want it direct access like here, which is better, because getting stuff there, unplugging stuff, plugging stuff in at the back there. Say you have a desk, mine isn't on a desk right now because it's not set up properly, but if you're in a normal desk, you're not gonna have the access constantly. So having a USB hub like that, USB-C hub, is very useful. So yeah, so we've unplugged that now, haven't we? Right, so this is plug and play, so you shouldn't need to install any device software or anything. So for now, right, let me take this cable tie off, so it makes my life easier. Alright guys, now we are ready. Let's plug that in there. So yeah, no power at all guys. As you can see, it's not enough power to run this system, so it does need a 12 volt socket plugged in, the 12 volt DC. So I'm going to plug that in and we'll test it out. Let me take this SD card out now. It's not needed. Alright, so yeah, let's go plug that in and we'll test it out. Alright guys, we've done a bit of a, what do you call it, surgery. So there's the USB, well, not the USB, this thing, yeah. So now it's working. As you can see, it's on 0 watts. That's how you know it's working. It's plugged into 12 volt to the extension, but it's quite far away, so yeah, it's quite a lengthy cable, which is good. but it wasn't long enough. Well, it was long enough still, but I don't like it hanging on the floor like that, because it puts stress on the USB port here. So that's why I've raised it up a bit. Obviously this is not a permanent solution. I'm gonna have to get a cable, something there. So yeah, we'll sort that out. Yeah, there it is. I'm gonna, let's see, where's my phone? Oh, my phone's here. Alright, this is my phone here. What we are going to do is we're gonna see if we can fast charge with it. So I did have a USB-C cable somewhere here where I unplugged. There it is. Okay, so I got USB-C. So this is the official Samsung cable, this one here. So if this should be good. Okay, that side's in. Ready, guys? So yeah, so we've got the charger one at the bottom. Let's plug that in. There you go. Now it tells you how much watts is going through there. So as you can see, 3.6 watts, 4.5, and it's fast charging, which is perfect. So as you can see, that's working perfectly fine. It's fast charging how it's supposed to. Very good, very nice. So one thing with this is, when I plug it directly into my PC, it doesn't fast charge. It fast charges for about 2 minutes and then goes back to normal charging. So this fixes that issue now. So now I can use this as a fast charger, which is good. And nothing's come up on my screen to say that's data transferring. So this port is only for charging, which is good. So yeah, and then these ports are for data transfer. I do have a M.2 somewhere with a USB-C, so I can test it out, but I'll have to find that, so stay tuned. I'll do that in a future video. You can check that out. But it will definitely reach them speeds, I can tell already. It's pretty decent. And yeah, the construction on this is amazing. I love that screen, guys. Look at that. Beautiful, that's very beautiful. Thank you, Minisopuru, for sending this out to me. Very beautiful. I'll leave a link in the description to the website. Go check it out. Leave a link to the product as well. Go check that out. And yeah, what a beautiful device. Well worth the money, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.